All right, back by popular demand, it is Cooking with the Swanks again. Well, in this one, we're doing something new. First time I've ever tried this. Mama swears by it. She says, Steve, if you ain't cooked the steak this way, you gotta cook it like this, and you ain't gonna want it any other way. So we're doing some Caveman steaks today. Caveman steaks. Yep. We ain't gonna be cooking it on the barbecue. We ain't gonna be grilling it. We ain't gonna be smoking it. We ain't gonna be slow cooking it neither. We're gonna cooking that stuff right on the coals like we dropped it. Oh my God. It's gonna come out good though. I've been watching some videos on it, trying to, train up on it. And what we got right now, we got some beautiful mesquite charcoal lump coal. Take a look at that right there. So it's burning right there. There you go, something that kind of looks like an onion. Well, that's because it is. It's a freaking onion in there. It's a nice sweet onion. So I'm told you put that thing in there in the char. It'll take a little while to cook. You just cut off and break out the old two outer layers or so. And the inside is just a sweet buttery goodness. So we're about waiting for our coals to all get white. And we're going to kind of fan the ash off of there for a while. Fan the ash because you don't want ash on your steak. You don't want the ash on your meat. So you say, well, how am I supposed to fan my ash? Well, how you fan your ash, you go out and you buy yourself. Remember these? These used to be 6-packs. Remember the 6-pack thingies? Boom, 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 boom. See it, boom, boom. Lay it flat. Look at this. Oh, I am so hot. And look at the fire. The fire's hot too. It fans it and it puts that ash, gets it nice red and hot. That's what you're looking for. So if you fan your ash, get it nice red hot, it'll get ready for steaks. So I'm going to pause. We'll be back in a minute. Woo-wee. Boy, we got ourselves a hot fire. Look at that. See that? See how red it's getting? That's what you're looking for. Blow all. There's no ash blowing. I just blew all the ash off. Took the liberty of finding myself one of my nice barbecuing gloves because that's hot. All right. Now for the moment of truth. So we got here is coarse black peppercorn and some coarse seasoned salt, a little bit of, they say olive oil. I like using canola oil, vegetable oil. It's got a higher flash point. And we're gonna do this. Oh no, you're not, Steve. Oh no, you're not. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that sizzle. Yep, that's right there on the coals. The coals. Get ourselves our big glove on. Let's see what we did with that baby. Because we're going to go in where it's nice and hot. We're going to make sure that that's nice and pressed down good. Because you want contact on the coal. The flame is licking up around the edges, or so they say. Set that right there. Get my nice pan out of the way. So yeah, we got ourselves a little cheesy $40 or whatever it cost, Walmart fire pit. We're supposed to do about 45 minutes to a minute on each side, and then flip it or move it for a total of 4 minutes on each side. We'll see how it comes out. I think it's been about 45 seconds. Let's flip this one over and take a quick look at it, okay? Oh, let's do it. They say you should knock the coals right off. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Just knock the coals off. Oh, that's you going, oh, that's crazy. Oh, that was crazy good. Look at that. Woo-wee. Oh, man. All right. So there we go. I'm going to pause because I'm going to keep an eye on this. And we'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So I was fanning the coals. It's time to pull them right now. But I was fanning them while the meat was on the grill, and it kept the flames down to a minimal. Oh, look at that. We're gonna let our steak rest. But man, I haven't fanned my arms that much since junior high school. Holy mackerel. And there was a good reason back then. This looks like it's a good reason too. Oh, this one is just falling apart. Oh, it's just by the limb. Look at that. Look at all the juices coming out of it. Oh. All right, so this grill is not on. This is only a resting place. So now we got our coals down here. We got ourselves set up with some zucchini with some butter and some garlic in it, wrapped up into some foil, a little bit of butter and garlic, and just basic. Throw that right on the coal. Let's put that right there. See that? Then over here, while our steak is resting, what's that? Oh, we're gonna make some garlic, butter, and some thyme. Since that steak took no time at all, we're gonna give it some time in the little applesauce. All right, so moving on, we got here is this nice orange skillet. We got one stick of butter, a whole mess of garlic, about probably half a head of fresh garlic, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and some thyme. Throw that baby right on there. Let that just get happy. Now we don't want to burn the butter. We just want it to melt. Let it get to sizzle a little bit. Once it gets to sizzle, you add yourself some nice pale beer, or if you want to, you can put some wine in there. I like a little wine or a beer in my sauce, so I'm probably going to put some Stella in the sauce today, because that's what I got open. Coming together. All right, so our minced garlic is starting to pop. See that? See that popping in there? So it's popping because it's thirsty. So we'll Stella. Oh yeah. There we go. Let that all get together. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Burn off a little bit of that foam. Now what we're going to do is, our steaks have been resting. We're going to drench the steaks in this sauce, and then we're going to put them inside the dish for serving, and it'll have a little bit of that buttery, garlicky goodness right on the outside of that crust. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, I so got a food boner right now. It's coming. It's coming. I know it's back and forth, but you know what? It's hard to do this with one hand, so look at this. Huh? It's like peeking through the green door. That's good stuff.